Hey guys, welcome to our another vlogs. In today's session, we will talk about a man who has gone to America, but he doesn't know even a single word of English. He's totally illiterate. So, what will he do there? What basic English he should learn while to communicate with the American peoples. So today, Sir Aslam will tell us the simple sentences and the word that he should learn in order to communicate with with the Native Americans. So, sir, what are these the basic words and the sentences you will recommend to that person so that he can communicate with the
Very,
Americans?
very simple. A person who doesn't know English very well, he should speak some basic sentence like "Hello, how are you? What are you doing? What about you?" Further, he
Okay.
should start. Learning about the fundamentals, basics of English.
Yes.
He should uh, he should memorize some words.
Okay.
I would like to recommend him two words:
Okay.
"Would you please" and "Can." He can make lots of sentences to communicate with Americans while making different sentences, different questionnaires.
Okay. Perfect.
Examples. I would like to put some example. Can you please give me a burger? Can you please recommend me a good doctor? Can you please tell me the direction of California? Yeah, other things like that. Can you please give me a jacket? Can you please tell me where the KFC is located?
So in short, whatever he wanna ask, he can use a single word can, and he can make a lot of sentences in their daily life just to communicate with any kind of person in that society.
Yes. The word I would like to suggest that he should use "would you please."
Yes.
He can make it. It performs also as like that. Can. Would you
Okay.
please like to recommend me a good doctor? Would you please recommend me a barber?
Yeah.
Different question, different things can be asked by "would you please." So he should make a diary. He should write these sentences, these basic sentences.
Yeah.
He should try to learn new vocabulary. Linguists say that if a person if a person has memorized 200 basic words of a language, he can understand that language. Either it is Spanish, it is English, either Arabic, or Urdu, or some other languages. So he should learn 200 words.
So these are the two basic words that he should learn instantly, and after that he can learn other words gradually so that he can communicate in a better way in that society. So that he
Yeah,
must.
he is not going to he is not going to be he is not going to do PhD or MPhil or MS in any subject. So the
Yeah.
basic thing is to communicate with the people.
Because.
They
Yeah.
can arrange a translator for the person, but it's better idea to have some vocabulary to perform speak even the basics. They can learn, they can understand what are you trying to say,
Yeah.
but we should try to memorize some words which make you confident, and you can pass the American naturalization test as well.
So we will also start a series which will include 100 basic questions to pass the American nationalization test. So please follow our series if you wanna pass the American nationalization test. So in today's session we have discussed that there are the two basic words can and
Would you please?
would you please. So these two basic words that you can use in any of the following sentences in order to communicate with it. As we people know that as in our societies we have a different kind of the peoples. Some are the more literate, some are the less literate, and some are the illiterate person in our society. So in American society, also these kind of people present there who don't know even a proper sentence making English. So don't he she they don't know about how to put the verb in their right position. So
Actually, English is not their mother tongue.
yeah.
The second language is Spanish language, which is the huge number of Americans speak Spanish
Yeah.
there. Some people speak Hindi, some people speak the language of Pakistan, Punjabi, and Urdu as well. It was the language of Britishers
Yeah.
who went there, and he taught them how to speak English.
Yeah.
So we should not be less confident about English. We should not be jealous of the people speak English. Rather, we should try to learn. And as Zad has told us that we are going to start a series of American Naturalization Test, and that test comprises 100 questions, and
Yeah.
we will divide it into four or five videos. And I promise this will be the best ever video available on YouTube to pass American Naturalization Test.
So guys, I think the video would be enough for the people who want to learn the English, who want a guidance about how to learn English. In next session, we will surely discuss about the questions who will be included in the national American nationalization test. So please follow our channel, like, subscribe, and share with other peoples and the school going students also. Thank
Thank
you.
you.